Ng 4.
17 minutes. Saktong 4.
4 nandun tayo.
Kaya. Hindi, kaya lang ako lang inintay eh. I don't like this. I hate being late. Ang ganda niya.
Nakatakip yung face.
Nakatakip yung face kaya hindi ko nakita.
Madonna.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Heart Evangelista, ipinakita ang kanyang totoong ganap sa Milan Fashion Week ngayong taon. Marami sa mga netizen ang nakikita lang sa mga videos na parampa-rampa ang mga imbitado sa mga Fashion Week, ngunit ngayon ay ipinakita ni Heart ang mga pangyayari behind the scenes. Ito ang totoong trabaho ng isang Heart Evangelista, pagdating sa Fashion Week events.
I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't like this. I hate being late.
Parang dapat soft lang na. Parang you did it on your own type.
Sino siya today? Victoria Marie. Thank you.
Ganun pala
Okay,
yun?
let's go. We have to go. Kailangan ko lang talaga mamili ng kanta. Kasi hindi iba yung look.
Kasi dear na master mo na rin yung hair flip.
Paano ba naman? Turning 21 years, Scream Silk Girl. Where can your hair take you?
Meron pang isa.
River Maya. Rico Blanco. Is D&G. Such a good brand. There's no...
Marami siyang dal...
1, 2, 3.
Ipindot mo na yung hem.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
But it's a rock and roll song. It's an OPM. I skip Valley.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Actually, I'm sad. I'm okay. I skipped Rivetta because I had the job. Okay, much better. Because with my contacts and with the net, wala na. Bulag na baka na ako. Thank you. Thank you! Saan na tayo? October 12!
Thanks, Cham! Ha?
Uy,
Birthday ni Camille.
hi to Cham and your wife! Hi, madam!
Thanks for the invite.
Thank you! Go. I've never been.
Talaga ba?
I've never been. I always wanted to go.
OPM, OPM.
Dear yung last ko na siguro mix mo. Part na to parang perfect niya sa life ko kasi parang nag full circle. Mistakes, ganyan, but then dreams do come true, ganyan. Doesn't matter as long as my husband's holding my hand.
With you, make them all come true. As I lay inside your arms and rest my head upon your shoulder. Believe me, there's nothing that I can't do. Never work together.
Ito pa pala.
I wanna share my whole life with you. I wanna keep on dreaming, dreams to come true. As I lay inside your arms and rest my head upon your shoulder. Believe me, there's nothing that I can't do. Never work together.
Cute. Ganda.
Ah, it's there. Careful.
Hindi na siya 3:30, 3:38, 3:40 na.
3:38.
Magpapalit pa ako, mag-hair pa ako.
Feel ko kaya, dear.
I don't think we're gonna make it. Ayoko kasi mag-haggard eh, kaya tinatry ko to have time to change. Wala, malayo pa kayo, nandyan pa kayo eh.
I think we'll make it kasi I have to change my hair. Punitin na.
Madam, nandun tayo ng 4.
17 minutes. Saktong 4.
4 nandun tayo.
Kaya. Hindi, kaya lang ako lang inintay eh. I don't like this. I hate being late. Ang ganda niya.
Nakatakip yung face.
Nakatakip yung face kaya hindi ko nakita.
Madonna.
Ate, ano oras yung flight natin?
8:30 here.
Naisip ko na yun eh. Sabi ko, hindi ito yun. Kasi, pero nakinig ako kasi nga akala ko nagbago ng fart. So this one can go home. Start on time?
No, it won't.
Promise? Yes. Okay, sige, relax. Yeah. Kasi mali na stress eh. In my bag, I have Frutella. Frutella Pinks in Philippines, Pochi.
Si Pochi.
Pakain naman ng sugar.
Ate, kumain na sugar.
Hihimatayin yan kanina.
Nakalag siya eh. Brava.
Nilagyan ko lang ng gloss and then I put the Dolce Gabbana red in the middle.
Gusto ko yung parang blotted lip.
Yeah.
Iba din.
Ito rin yung sa Versace.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll do one more. Yes.
Bakit dito tayo nagbabalus na?
Okay na to.
Ang lamig-lamig dito sa labas. Grabe kayo, nakapote pa naman ako.
Nakapalo ako ba kay Isa? Si Isa nagtito.
Ito talaga ako pagbubuhatin. Grabe. Ang galing, 22.2.
Pasok. Dito na. Last na to.
Dadagdag mo pa rin yan?
Ilan?
1.21.
1 kilo na yan?
Oh, 1 kilo na to.
Nanginginig.
23!
22.99! Yes! Pasok!
Oo.
Pasok na pasok!
So, yun sa akin yung sobra.
Hindi, pausan na ako. Okay na yan.
Perfect.
I thought we were in the Florida airport. Ay, thank you, Lord. Teka lang.
Hinga muna, hinga muna.
Hinga muna. Hindi ko na kaya magpanggap. Milan Fashion Week is officially over for us. But the reels are still gonna be coming. But we're coming for you, Paris. See you soon. Bukas ulit, meron pa to. Bye.